Let's talk about Garmin Bike Speed and Cadence Sensor Black. Wireless speed and cadence sensors monitor your pedaling speed and cadence as you ride. Simply attach the sensors and ride. With no magnets or other exposed parts to line up, these sensors are easy to install, maintain and move between bikes. Cadence sensor fastens to any crank arm size and measures pedal strokes per minute so you can get the most out of your training. Speed sensor attaches to the hub of either wheel and self-calibrates with your compatible Garmin Edge to give you accurate speed and distance at all times, including indoors on the turbo trainer. Combine both the Garmin speed and cadence sensors to improve your personal best or see where you stand against the pros.